All right, welcome back to another Nowaskey YouTube video. I'm Matt, or Too Slick, whatever you want to call me, I don't really care. Today I'm pretty excited. I'm going to go meet up with a friend in Minnesota. It's about 2 hours away from the shop. His name's James Larson. I met him riding the Brawl in Sturgis, and he only lives a couple hours away, and he's riding really good right now. So I am going to go get some practice in with him. Yeah, so we're going to ride today, and then I'll stay in the ambulance, and I'm going to ride with him again tomorrow, and then I'll head home. So a good little break from work, and going to have some fun. Got some coffee for my drive, and we're going to get going. So we'll check in when we get there. So yesterday I was going to film and kind of document the whole day, and I decided not to do that because the lot that we rode was kind of short, and it was not the best for filming, and just a handful of other things. I had a really good time, and it was nice to warm up on the bike. And then today we're going to another spot to ride, and I think it'll be a lot better. So my goal is to try to film a full day of riding. A couple of things I'm going to do. I think I'm going to change some springs on my shocks. I'm going to go a little bit heavier because I've just been wanting to try it for quite a while, and we obviously have many different spring rates for our shocks. So I think I'm going to give that a try and see what that looks like. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to get some good riding in today, and I think it should be a good time. So I had a blast yesterday. I just want to say I'm so impressed with James's riding. He's only been doing this for a couple years, but you can just see the work that he's put in on a dirt bike to have the bike control that he does. And I just was so amazed that he was able to do some of the things he was doing in the lot that we were riding yesterday. I'm kind of past the point of trying to be that guy, you know, but it's really enjoyable to watch someone like him that's really hungry and really trying to learn how to be the best rider they can be. And it's also motivating me to ride a little bit harder, which is nice because it's been a little while since I've felt that way. So anyways, gonna get the bikes unloaded, change some springs, and go from there. Well, it's been kind of a different afternoon today. The police showed up and they were not super thrilled, but they didn't really tell us to leave either, so I'm going to take that as just be a little bit more respectful of the cars passing, which we were, but I don't know. Anyways. Messed with my shocks a little bit. I didn't have the right springs, so I actually need to go up to like our biggest spring rate, which is pretty crazy. So it's good. I'm learning about things. So this spot is so good to drift. not feel that good on wheelies, and I don't really know what the deal is, but I'm tired of it, that's for sure. So I'm kind of just sliding around. My throttle cable's doing some weird stuff, so that's not really helping. I did try to park it a couple times, but I just don't have the energy in me today, I feel like, is the biggest thing. Head drag. Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that was good. The curb slide entry was tight. You were like that close the whole time.
With what?
When you slid in and you were like up against the curb, it was sick.
That was fun.
Oh yeah. All right, let's just try a throttle hand coaster. God, I am just struggling today. All right, let's see if we can get a little circle wheelie in. A little hand drag out. knock to sit down to hand drag. That was good. I like that. Try that again. Maybe a little bit cleaner. Knee knock to sit down to hand drag to drift. Yeah. No. And my throttle's jacked up. So I'm gonna ride the bagger. All right, this tire is really grippy on the bagger right now, so we'll see how it goes. Oh, the tire is just way too grippy. It's got like 50 pounds of pressure in it, and I guarantee it'll come up in a wheelie right now, which is crazy. But with all that tire pressure in there, it doesn't really like to wheelie either, so it's just kind of the wrong tire for the job, I guess. Alright guys, so did a little bit of practice today. I didn't film as much as I would like to have. It was a little bit chaotic and I was really trying to spend more time riding than I was filming, but I still had fun and I think I still got enough clips to put it in this video. I got the ambulance all loaded up. It was a super solid day. These guys were a really good group of guys to ride with and they all seemed like really just good people in general, which is always fun. That's half of it, right? Is like who you're doing anything with. So had a good time, messed with some bike setup stuff a little bit. I think I went backwards, but that happens from time to time, so I'm gonna keep messing with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get some dinner and head home and get ready for the work week.